1988 score. Rack Pack box. This will be video 2 of 2, Rack Pack 2 of 2. Be sure to check out video 1 of 2 to see what we pulled. Also to see what rookies we're looking for, as well as what young superstars glossy series 1 cards that we're looking for, and error cards where corrected cards were made. 54 cards. There's our young superstar glossy. Got John Farrell, or Farrell, Kevin Bass. Fighting a little bit of a cold, so apologize for clearing my throat maybe a little bit more than usual. Picked up this Rack Pack box from eBay. Gonna try and see if we can also do 89 score as well. We've got a Rack Pack box for 89 score. I'll do that a little bit later on after this one. Gonna run some errands, and we'll be back. Oh, and the birds are singing in the background too. I got this one bird that likes to sit up on the peak of my roof and just sing. He's always up there. Anyways, let's take a look, see what we got. Start out with Mike Boddicker, Alan Ashby, Rick Honeycutt, Brian Dayette, Mike Easler, Ken Williams. Yeah, let's make sure that Magic Motion trivia card didn't leave its mark. It did not. Here it is. Great moments in baseball. Do you remember? County Stadium, July 30th, 1978, about a month before I was born. Pete ties National League streak. That's got to be talking about Pete Rose. Very nice. Got Tim Stoddard, Lonnie Smith, Harold Reynolds, Donnell Nixon, Rupert Jones, Jack Morris, Dale Murphy. Very nice on the Dale Murphy. We'll definitely take that card for sure. Dwayne Murphy. Okay. 1988 rookie prospect card of Sean Abner. 1988 rookie prospect card of Rob Ducey. Very good on that. He was a Syracuse Chiefs native, 1987. I remember seeing him at MacArthur Stadium, him and Glenn Allen Hill and a couple others at MacArthur Stadium in Syracuse, New York, growing up. 1988 rookie prospect card of Keith Miller. Very good on that. So that first section, we managed to get Rob Ducey's rookie prospect. We threw him some love for being a Syracuse Chiefs native. And then Dale Murphy always finds a place on the stand. Nice long career with the Braves. Here is our Young Superstars Series 1 glossy. I say Series 1. Series 2 is about a 5-card set, and it is through a mail-in offer. But the Series 1s you got from the Rack Packs. And it's of John Farrell. I don't see him on my list, so this is probably going to be worth about a quarter. But good deal on our Young Superstar glossy. Middle section got Mike Socia, Mike Boddicker, Alan Ashby, Ron Darling, Tom Foley, Steve Bedrosian, checking to make sure. Here's our Magic Motion trivia card. Great moments in baseball. Do you remember? Fenway Park, October 4th, 1948. Lou brings tribe flag. Talking about Lou Boudreau, not Lou Gehrig. Steve Balboni, John Smiley, John Candelaria, Gino Petrelli, Barry Lyons, Mike Young. Frank Viola, very nice on the Frank Viola. We'll throw him some love. Phenomenal pitcher. Frank Tanana. Daryl Boston. Harold Baines. And Bill Gullickson. So not bad in that second middle section. We pulled that Frank Viola. We'll take that. Phenomenal pitcher he was with the Wind Twins. Third bottom section, we've got Kevin Bass. Mike Stanley, Mike Socia. Nice, Bo Jackson. Bo knows the stand. Mike Krukow, Bill Ripken. Our third Magic Motion trivia card, Great Moments in Baseball. Do you remember Fenway Park, October 2nd, 1978, few days after, or no, take that back, about a month after I was born. Dent bashes playoff home run. Is that Bucky Dent? Yeah, Bucky Dent, who went on to manage. Good deal. Got Dave Martinez, Joe Niekro, Dave Meads, Junior Ortiz, Andy Van Slyke, good deal. We'll throw him some love. Len Matusek, Kurt Gibson, very nice on the Kurt Gibson. George Bell, even better. 1988 rookie prospect card of Jody Reed. 1988 rookie prospect card of Pete Stanachek. And 1988 rookie prospect card of Randy Milligan. All right, so not bad on those cards. What did we pull, y'all? We got the George Bell. Always a favorite. As well as the Kurt Gibson. Getting these out of order here, my bad. Got the Andy Van Slyke, threw him some love. And Bo knows. Bo Jackson. It's going to be his second year card, if I'm not mistaken. So very good on that, Bo Jackson. Loving that. And then, of course, our Young Superstars glossy card, Series 1 of John Farrell. Or Farrell, I've heard it pronounced either way. All right, folks, there you have it. 1988 score. 54 card rack pack from the box. Video 2 of 2. Rack pack 2 of 2. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay safe and stay tuned.